Here there is no main.
No, no. Minimize this dependencies. Go above. Minimize this dependencies.
I want to
So it's
give control.
yeah, where is yeah. Why main is not coming here?
Oh,
Can you go back to TFS? Open your TFS in web browser.
I will give control to you.
Uh, no, just open TFS because control is very slow. Go to
Okay.
TFS.
Okay.
No, no, not from here. TFS, where we have sprint and task board,
Uh-huh,
everything
uh-huh.
that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, go to here in repos, in left side, repos, left side,
Which
repos.
propose
Yeah, no,
plan?
scroll down, yeah, below this, repos.
Oh, okay, repose.
Click main,
Click main.
yeah. Click this Serpent processing version 19. The main is here, right?
There
So right
in
click it, right click it. No, no, not this one. That three dots. Click it. Click
download.
it. Not, don't right click. No, no.
Uh,
Yeah, download. Okay, download it. You can directly save this.
okay. This is
So if any file you think it's
production mission.
yes. No, no. This is your TFS code where we have saved all the code.
Okay, just wait. I will open this also. Now it is
You
working.
can't open it here. It's a XAML. You have to save it there. Only then it will open. Because it's a XAML file.
Yes, yes. One more thing. This is production machine. I wanted to take code in development code.
You can copy that from that main.xaml. You can copy and put it in your folder.
Okay.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
So it will automatically come.
Okay. One more thing. In which XAML and where in XML we need to change the code.
Copy that XAML first.
Okay.
You have downloaded.
Wait, I will.
Go to your UI path. Open the folder where you have saved this code. Open that folder. Or from this Explorer also you can open. That folder icon you are seeing on your Path Studio. From there also you can do it.
Okay.
Go to project.
1 second. where I want to copy that paste the folder that file.
In this project folder where you have saved the code from TFS. Yeah, open it.
I want
Save
to
it
save here,
in. Yeah,
copy to here.
yeah, paste it here.
Sorry, paste.
So now refresh your UiPath Studio code.
Okay.
Okay. Refresh it.
Yeah, main is
So
came.
now it's coming.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, so now it's coming.
Mm. One more thing. Which XML and where in XML we need to change the code.
I think I will explain you, but
Mm.
I think just go debug it first of all. Because if you will not debug it, you won't understand that what's happening.
Okay.
So in your process, you want to change code for sending the mail, right? So in your process transaction state, when everything get end at the
In the process state.
right, you can state you're sending success mail over there. You have to find out the logic that how can I stop this success mail if there are no files found. So just debug it everything, and you have to complete this code till 8th June.
Yes.
Okay, so you have time, debug it.
Okay.
Okay, and then I will explain you because if I'll tell you right now, so you won't be able to get the project.
Yes.
So debug it one by one, but I have already explained you that in process state you have to make the change.
Okay.
Okay.
I have
Okay.
one more thing. I have to make a new code, or we have to just to modify in existing code.
You can work on this code if you want, and once you are sure that it's working fine, only then you can check in that page. Okay.
Okay.
Don't check in till you are confident.
I wanted
that
to
it's
work in this process only. I wanted to do another like a new file, new sequence, like a new.
If you want to, no, just work on this. If you are comfortable to take another copy of the project, then you have to find out where you have made all the changes. So that will take your time. Okay. So just work on this one. Don't commit anything. Okay.
Okay.
Don't commit anything. Once you are confirmed that everything is working, only in the end. Okay, on 8th of June, if you want, only in that time just commit it. Or you can create a copy also if you want,
Code.
and then work it on it. Yeah,
Okay.
but then you have to merge everything again in this main project file. Okay.
Okay.
So that depends on you in which thing you are comfortable. That is up to you. You can copy it. You can then do the debug and whatever if you want to make changes, then have the copy.
Okay.
And once you are assured that okay, I understand the code, now I will work on the main project. So you can come back here again and you can work on it.
Okay. I am confusing in this mail. You given now one task. I am confusing in that mail ticket. That's
That
why.
is simple. One second.
Okay.
So whenever that's very simple. If in any to-do folder you will not find any no append list file, that means thing is processed today. Okay, everything is zero. Means if everything is zero, then obviously this,
one more thing. Where is that like file to do file folder?
I have sent you in your slide.
It is not opening. See.
Okay, can you copy it again? remove underscore in the starting. Okay.
Sorry.
When you paste the location, remove from the starting.
Your voice is breaking. Hello.
You have also copied underscore. Don't copy underscore.
Okay.
From P drive, copy it from P drive. Yeah. Actually, in Skype, URL does not go, so that's why we add extra underscore. Okay, so you have to remove it every time. Yeah, so it's opening.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah. Before
So in
I
Australia,
selected.
Chile, Dubai, London, Miami, New York, Singapore, in that to do
In that folder we have to do folders.
Yeah, in all the folders we have to do folder. If none of them contains no help list, then you don't have to send the date.
If there is no file in this folder, we don't need to send the mail.
Yeah, and same thing is for all the offices.
Just wait. In Chile, we have the file. We have to send the
Yes.
mail.
Yeah. Just a second, just a second.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you
Okay,
can
no
ask.
problem, no problem.
So in all the offices in the to-do folder, if there are no help list,
Help
so
and
your
list
file
means
should have.
this file, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, your naming convention, it should contain no helpline list.
Okay.
So, any other word can also come, but no helpline list is common. So, you
Okay.
can search like with using dot contain method.
Okay.
That if it's contain no helpline list and if it's there in the folder.
Okay. In Australia, we don't have file help and list. We no need to send the mail.
No. This
In
will not
Chile,
decide. You
in,
have to check all other offices as
okay,
well.
in Chile,
Like
in
in Chile, you have to-do list, right?
yes,
So mail will go at this because in Chile we have mail.
yes.
See, if your all the offices means if your all the offices does not have no helpline list, only then you have to stop sending mail. If any of the office have helpline list, you will send the mail.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay. One more thing, you given Excel yesterday symbols, characters. Sorry. Characters is there, no, in column.
Yeah. So that you can find here in Singapore to-do list.
Singapore to-do list. This one?
Yeah. So here you can find that. Just debug all the code and you will understand. And also side by side, open your
Here,
to-be document.
here, there is no here only. Insert amount, I wanted to remove the this characters,
Yes.
special characters. Okay.
Only number and point should be there.
Okay.
Number and point.
Understood.
And Sunil, it will be better if you open to-be document as well, side by side once you debug. And also open to-be document so that you know that what the code is doing right now. Okay. So that will help you.
Okay.
To work on it, debug it. So till 8th of June you have to work. So you have time. So work on the debugging part till then.
1 second.
If you want, you can understand to-be document first. Just open to-be document, go through everything again and again, and then you can debug because it will help you more.
This is config, na? Config file for LPAN.
No, not this one. Open that.
Which one?